Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some hamburger gravy. This is a cheap, budget-friendly meal for a lot of us that are going through hard times. This will feed, well, it depends on, I guess, how big of an eater you are, but this is only a pound of meat. Once you get your gravy in there, pour it over some mashed potatoes. It's satisfying, it's filling, it's really good. And it goes a long way, you know, stretch your buck for just a pound of hamburger. We normally have potatoes on hand, onions and some stock and some flour, some garlic. Everything you need will be in the description. So what I'm going to do here is just fry this up, and then we'll get any fat that renders off of this. Alright, I'm going the easy way here. Move that to the side there. Just tilt your pan there. This is an easy way of getting that whatever water and grease that's coming off that meat. And we'll just get that off there. Not good for us. Let's take that off and remove it. Alright. Got most of it off. Just leave a little bit of it on there. We're going to add our onions and garlic. And we're going to cook this probably just until everything starts getting soft there, those onions. Probably 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. I'm cooking mine on medium-low. I cooked about maybe 5 minutes. Now we're going to sprinkle some flour over that. And we'll cook this for a few minutes just to cook that flour. Y'all, I'm sorry, the microphone wasn't on. I added my Worcestershire sauce and my beef broth right there. My brain's off somewhere else right now. Actually, I need to put my pepper, and I had said I'm going to put my lid on it. Turn it on low. Let it come to a boil first, then turn it on low. And we're going to let that simmer for a good 20 minutes. Let all those flavors come together. And it's going to be good. Now, I don't know what else. I think I had mentioned, too, I have a video on mashed potatoes, on garlic, if you want garlic mashed potatoes, or do you want regular creamy. I do have videos, but today it's about the hamburger gravy. I don't care if you want to use instant potatoes, some fresh mashed potatoes. I use about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds. So we're going to let this simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, my friends, there is the hamburger gravy over mashed potatoes. Don't that look delicious? Now, you can add whatever you want to this, but it's delicious and it's simple and don't got to put a whole lot of effort into it. So this is Mr. Curtis's plate. You're not going to taste it, are you?
Not right now.
Because he's seen all the onions and I was taking them out, but he says, well, I'll look at it again. So I'm going to take a bite of yours, Curtis.
Okay.
And use your favorite mashed potatoes. Like I said, I do have a recipe for it. Oh, that's good. Sorry, Curtis, I put the fork back. I'll eat that one.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm sorry. Okay, but there it is. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Go check out my merchandise. Like I said, everything you need is in the description for this. And if I ever forget anything, I'll post it in the description. So until next week, you guys stay blessed. Eat well and make you up some. It's delicious. Bye-bye. Love y'all.